With special absorbent feathers on his belly, a male sand grouse can soak up enough water to fill a shot glass, ready to carry it back to his chicks. A goshawk, here to prey on the thirsty. To save his chicks, the father risks his own life. The chicks take their first sip of water from Dad's feathers. He'll have to risk the same journey every day for 2 months, until his chicks can fly.
By making the kids work for it, she's encouraging them to cut out the middleman and hunt for themselves. Mum could use a dozen voles herself to quell her appetite, if she gets a look in. The kids need to learn that freeloading's not an option. Maybe Mum's a soft touch.